here, you're gonna see where it says offer tools. Click on offer tools. You're gonna see the option which says my offers. Click on my offers right there, and what you want to do is come right here and change the country, set it to United States right there, then click on United States. It's gonna load lots of offers in the United States, and the reason we want to promote offers to people in the United States because that one where we're gonna be promoting those offers actually has traffic, has people coming in from the United States. And you can see right here it says traffic share, it says 76.69% right here of people that are actually coming to this platform are actually people from the United States. So we're going to be able to use that platform to make lots of money. So we want to head back right here, and what you want to do is scroll down, because as you can see right here, this is the payout. Anyone that actually install and use this app right here, you're going to get paid 0.69 cents right there. So we're going to look for the best high paying offers right here. And here it actually says get the PayPal e-gift card right here, and you can see the payout is $2.06. So what you want to do now is we're gonna create a landing page, so that way we're gonna leverage it with the platform that actually has this lots of traffic for people coming in from the United States, so that way we can even make lots of money, because we're not just gonna be promoting one single offer, we're gonna be promoting as much offers as we can, so that we can even increase the chances of conversion and thus making more money right here on cpagrip. So we're gonna be using alink.me right here to create a landing page. We're gonna be using this platform here to create a high converting landing page, and this is actually what we want to create right here. I'm gonna show you exactly how to get this done. So what you want to do is come right here and click on sign up for free, and after clicking on sign up for free, it's gonna now open up a new page right here. It's gonna take us to this page you guys are actually seeing right here on my screen. Bring you to this page where it actually says get started for free, and here you get to put in your email address, you get to put in your username, and you get to put in your password as well, and you get to click on sign up. Or you can sign up with Gmail, with Google right here with your Gmail account just by clicking on this option, and also you can sign up right here using Facebook. So I'm just gonna click on this option right here which says sign up with Google. So I'm gonna click on this one. So after signing up, it's now going to bring you to this page right here. So what you want to do is go back to your cpagrip account, and you want to make sure you select an offer right here. This one is actually Walmart gift card right here, $500 Walmart gift card. This one is enter for $5,000 right here. This one is PayPal gift card. So I'm just going to click on this one right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down. You can see right here it actually says this offer is only allowed to people in the United States. So only people from the United States will actually convert for you. And you can see right here, once anyone from the United States actually submit their email/zip right here, zip code, you're actually gonna get paid $2.31 right here. So what you want to do is click on copy right here, then you want to go back to this. So what you want to do is click on Ctrl V right here and paste it, then click on here which says add new link, and once you click on add new link, it's going to tell you this URL is not valid, it might be malicious. So what you want to do is copy back this link, and you want to put in shorten URL right here on shorten links right here. Just put in shorten links right here on the Google. It's going to bring, just click on the first option right here. So you're going to now put it right here, then click on shorten URL. So afterwards you're going to click on copy URL, then you want to go back right here, then you want to make sure you delete this one right here, then paste it, then click on add new link right there, and you're going to see that it's going to actually add this link right here. So what you want to do is you want to change the title so you get to differentiate, and you can see right here this is how it's actually going to look like. So we want to make this awesome. So I'm going to click on edit right here. I'm going to click on edit, and right here what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back right here, and you can see it says get a $700 PayPal gift card. So I'm just going to copy this stuff right here at the top. I'm going to click on Ctrl C, then I'm going to go back right here, then I'm going to remove this stuff right here, then I'm going to click on Ctrl V right there, and you're going to see if I click outside of this page right here, it's going to now update. You can see right here it says get $750 PayPal gift card. I'm going to remove this option, and I'm going to click on here, then I'm going to add get $750, get free $750 PayPal gift card right here. So what you want to do is you want to come back right here where it actually says add image, then you want to go back right here, then you want to make sure you download this image that you're actually seeing right here. Click on save image right there. Back right here to this landing page, then click on this option. Then you want to make sure you upload this image right here that you actually download. You want to make sure you upload it right here. So afterwards, I'm just gonna zoom this one right here. So I'm gonna zoom it a bit right here so it actually makes sense. So what I'm gonna do now is click on save right here. So after clicking on save, what will happen is it's gonna actually change this image icon right here, and you can see it says $750 PayPal right here. So you can see right here, anyone that's actually looking to earn free PayPal gift card. So what you want to do again is you want to change, because it actually says desktop version right here. As you can see, it actually says strictly for desktop. So what you want to do is come back right here, then you want to make sure you put in something like this where it actually says desktop device, so they get to actually know that this is actually for only desktop device right here. So what you want to do is you want to move on again and look for another best offer that you can promote right here. So I'm just gonna look for another offer right here, and this one actually says enter for a $500 cash out gift card. I'm gonna look for a mobile offer this time around. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look for a mobile offer. So I'm gonna scroll down right here, So I'm gonna click on this one here. It says get your $500 Walmart gift card, and you can see how it actually looks like. So what you want to do is click on copy, and you can see right here, this is for Android device only, and you can see email/zip submit. So when any person from the United States just submit their email or their zip using this link right here, you're actually gonna get paid this amount of funds right here to your cpagrip account. So what you want to do, so I'm gonna click on shorten on that URL right here. So I'm gonna click on Control V, that's the link that we actually got right here. So I'll go back to this shortener right here. I'm gonna click on shorten, and it's actually gonna give me this link. I'm gonna click on copy, then I'm gonna go back to alink.me. I'm gonna click on here which says add new link, so I'm gonna paste it right there. So I'm gonna click on add new link right there, and you can see it's gonna actually add a new link for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back right there. I'm gonna put in $500 Walmart gift card. I'm gonna click on Ctrl C, then I'm gonna go back right here, then I'm gonna remove this right here, then I'm gonna put in. So you want to make sure you write something like where it says free $500 Walmart gift card, but you can get creative and write something more compelling right here, so that when anyone from the United States when they actually come through from the from the website I'm gonna show you, from the free traffic platform that I'm gonna show you, you're gonna actually get those conversions, and you're gonna be able to earn money to your cpagrip account. So you want to make sure you always put the word free, and that's because people actually like free stuff again. Then you want to make sure you download this image. So after saving again, what you want to do is click on here. So what you want to do is click on here where it actually says upload your own image. So you want to upload this image right here that you download. You want to upload it right here. So afterwards, I'm now gonna click on here which says save, and it's actually gonna change the image right here. So you're gonna wait for some few seconds, and you can see right here, this is how it's actually gonna look right here. So they are gonna be able to see the image of whatever it is that they want to actually win, that which actually makes sense. So we're gonna move on to the next one. So you want to make sure you look for more offers as well. So I'm just gonna look for an iOS offer right here. So I'm gonna look for an iOS offer. So I'm just gonna scroll down here, and here it says claim. So I'm gonna click on this one. Since this is actually an iOS offer, I'm gonna click on this option right here. So it's gonna bring out this page for me, and you can see right here it's actually email/zip submit. So anyone from the United States actually use this link right here and put in, if they actually visit this link right here and put in their email or their zip code right there, I'm actually gonna get paid this amount that you guys are actually seeing. So I'm just gonna click on copy link right here, and I'm gonna go back to this landing page. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back right here to this tool again. I'm gonna click on here which says shorten under URL, then I'm gonna now paste the URL, then I'm gonna click on shorten URL, and I'm gonna click on copy URL, then I'm gonna go back right here, and I'm gonna now paste it right here as well. And I'm gonna click on add new link right here, and it's actually gonna add new link right here. So what you want to do is go back as well, then go back right here, and where it actually says claim. So I'm gonna click on copy right here. So I'm gonna click on Ctrl C. Then I'm gonna go back right here. I'm gonna now remove this one right here. So I'm gonna now paste it. Then what I'm actually gonna do next is I'm now gonna go back again, then save this image. Click on save image, then save it to your computer. So what you want to do is click on save right here, and it's actually going to change the image right here, and you can see right here it's actually going to change the image, and you can see it actually makes sense. So what you want to do next again is, since it's actually an iOS offer right here, so you can see right here it's only for iOS device. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now go back right here, and I'm now going to specify as well. So another thing you can do is to actually change the term right here and include the specific device right here. So just like I've written right here, it says this is only for iOS device right here, and you can see actually place it right here only for Android device, so that way they can actually see and know the offer that they can actually do for themselves. So if you're actually gaining any value so far, make sure to drop me a like on this video, and also make sure to smash that red subscribe button as well. So afterwards, you want to make sure you look for as many offers as you can right here. Just go to cpagrip, a lot of offers right here in the United States that you can look for, and you want to make sure you look for a lot of them right here. Then afterwards, repeat the same process, put in as much as 10 right here or 15 depending on you. So you want to now go up right here. So we need to now edit this stuff because it actually doesn't make sense as it is right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to come right here where it says appearance, click on appearance right there, then it's actually going to bring out this option right here. So what I'm actually going to do is, so what I want to do now is to change this name right here. So I'm going to click on this option which is edit. I'm gonna put in a name. I'm going to put in high rewards right there. I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to scroll down right here. I'm going to scroll down where it actually says profile. So I'm going to click on this option right here. So I'm going to now put in a random image right here. So what we're going to do next is to now going to open up this link in a new page right here. I'm going to click on open new tab. So guys, this is how it's actually going to look like when anyone actually comes through this page right here, and they're gonna actually see sponsored by iRewards right here. They're gonna see all this stuff, and once they actually click on any of this right here and they submit their email / zip code, once they submit their email / zip, we're actually gonna get paid right here to our cpagrip account right here. So now what you want to do again, this landing page has another unique features, so I'm just going to click on this earn option as well, so you can also earn money from this landing page right here. So what you need to do is, it says turn on advertising on your heylink.me page and start earning money monetizing your audience. So what you want to do is click on here, it says on, and you can see it says by turning on advertising on your heylink.me page you agree to the following. So I'm just going to click on this, and what this will actually help you do is, because most people actually come to the link and not everyone that actually come to your landing page will actually convert for you, but the fact that they actually come to those page, it's actually going to help you earn some money as well. So what you want to do is click on next, because they're going to be monetizing their traffic from where they actually come, and you can see it says please select your top audience countries, and you can see right here it says if you are based in Australia, most likely your top audience country. So I'm not gonna, since you're actually trying to bring out traffic to people in the United States, so what we're just gonna do is we're gonna scroll down right here, and we're gonna scroll down to where it actually says United States right here. So I'm gonna go back again to the traffic source right here. So we know that people are actually coming in from Brazil, Canada, Bangladesh and Lithuania. So I'm gonna go back right here and select Bangladesh as well. I'm gonna look for Bangladesh. I'm gonna look for Canada right here. I'm gonna select Canada. I'm gonna select Brazil as well. So I'm gonna click on here. Then I'm gonna click on here which says apply for review right here, and it says thank you. We'll review your account and automatically turn on advertising if it meets all our advertising guidelines right here. Click on here which says okay, sounds cool. So now that we actually have our landing page, what we're gonna do now is to now move on to this platform right here that actually has lots of traffic, lots of people coming in from the United States, because the offer that we are trying to promote is actually centered around people in the United States. So what you want to do is grab your link right here, then you want to make sure you copy your link right here at the top. Then we now need to now go to this website right here. So if you're actually getting any value from this video, make sure to drop me a like, and also make sure to smash that red subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And also the platform where we're going to be promoting this our offers right here is actually known as giveaway machine. So what you want to do is put in giveawaymachine.com, and if I actually go to right here similar web, you can see right here this actually giveaway machine right here. At the top it says giveawaymachine.com, and you can see the traffic source right here. You can see the percentage of traffic. So it's a 6.69% of people in the United States actually coming to this platform right here. So right there, click on submit giveaway. Then you want to make sure you scroll down right here. It says submit your giveaway. So I'm just gonna scroll down right here. They're gonna ask you for link to giveaway. So you want to make sure it's actually your landing page link, this one that you actually copy right here. Then you want to make sure you go back right here. Then you want to make sure you click on this option right here, and they're gonna ask you main price right here. So what you're gonna put in right here, they're gonna ask you to put in your email address right here. So you want to make sure you put in your email address right here, your primary email address. So I'm just gonna put in something random right here. It's PayPal gift card. So that's actually easy to write, and that's actually okay. So what you want to do is come right here where it actually says giveaway description, and I'm just gonna write something right here, random, but you can get creative to actually create your own as well. Enter now to win $750 free PayPal gift card, then ending soon right here. So this actually tells them that it's actually ending soon right here. So next step is to now select your giveaway date right here. So I'm not gonna select right here, which says I'm gonna select 14. I want it to start tomorrow, so I'm gonna click on this option right here, and I want the giveaway to end right here. I want it to end on 31st right here. So I'm gonna scroll down right here. They're gonna ask for your age restriction. They're gonna ask for age restriction. So what you wanna do is put in any age right here, just leave it as it is, and they're gonna ask for giveaway category. So you want to make sure you look for where it actually says cash and gift cards right there. Then you want to scroll down right here, and they're gonna ask you to select an option right here. It says giveaway is open to only people in the United States, and they're gonna ask you to choose a file right here to upload a file. So you need to upload a file. So what you want to do is come back right here and look for the best image that you can find. So I'm just gonna click on this option, but since we're actually trying to promote a $750 PayPal gift card, but you can still use this option right here. This image is still gonna convert for you. So I'm just gonna close this one right here. So I'm gonna look for you can now download this option right here and save it, but I'm still gonna go with this one right here, which I actually see. So I'm gonna click on here, then I'm gonna click on this. Actually looks more converting, but if you have another image that you can use, it's okay, but I'm gonna go with this image right here. So afterwards, I'm not gonna scroll down right here. You're gonna see where it says 100% guaranteed listing, posted within business days. So we're just gonna use the free version, obviously. So I'm not gonna be paying anything whatsoever right here on this platform. I'm not gonna be paying anything right here. So what you wanna do is click on here which says list my giveaway right there, and after clicking on list my giveaway, what will happen is it's actually gonna tell you that thank you, your giveaway has been submitted.